Hey everyone, want to write email campaigns that boost clicks and sales? Today I'll show you how to create marketing emails fast using Anyword. Let's get started. First, search for anyword.com and log in. Then, click the plus create content button and here describe the type of email that you want to write, like a promo or newsletter. Then here, add a prompt details like this example prompt here. Write a promotional email for 50% summer sales on women's sneaker. Make it friendly, short, and include call to action shop now. Then here select email from the options below and click generate and review the AI written email subjects lines and body text. Edit to match your brand tone and add your links or images. And that's it. In under a minute, you have a ready to send email marketing. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.